Hey there, 8th grade, got lesson 27. I can simplify exponents. It's probably going to be one of the easiest lessons we do. I really like this because it's just real simple. We're going to be doing problems 1 through 20 like usual. Here we have x to the 5th power times x to the 3rd power equals x to how many powers. And so what we're looking at here is when we are multiplying with exponents, we are just going to take our exponents and we are going to add them. So 5 plus 3 would give us 8. So x to the 5th times x to the 3rd would give us x to the 8th. Number 2, on the opposite side here, we have 3 to the 5th divided by 3 to the 3rd. You might have guessed it. We're going to subtract these ones. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So this would be 3 to the 2nd power, or 3 squared, which would be 9 if we wanted to solve that. Number 3. X cubed squared. This is a pretty common mistake. This means we're going to take this and times it by itself. So x cubed times x cubed. And just like we learned right up here, when we have exponents and we are multiplying them, we are going to add our exponents. It's going to be x to the 6th. Here we have 10 to the 8th times 10 to the 6th. Same thing. We're going to add our exponents. This is going to be 10 to the 14th. And this final one, I'm going to kind of show you why this works. We have 10 to the 8th divided by 10 to the 6th. So this would be 10 times 10 times 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, did I draw an 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the 8th divided by 10 to the 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many are we left with? Well, we're cancel. We're left with 10 squared. So 10 to the 8th divided by 10 to the 6th is equal to 10 squared again, which would be 100 if we wanted to solve that. Number 1, I'm going to solve with you guys. Let's see. Cynthia planted 12 potted plants in the last 3 weeks. At that rate, how many would she plant in 5 weeks? So 12 plants in 3 weeks. We want to know 5 weeks. Okay. Well, 3 times something doesn't give us 5. So we need to figure out what the unit rate is, or what 1 week would be. So 12 divided by 3, well, that would be 4 plants in 1 week, or 4 plants per week. Hopefully by now you've kind of figured that out. If we have 4 plants per week in 5 weeks, we're going to go 4 times 5, or 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and that would give us 20 plants. Number 2. Again, going to be doing it 1 through 20 if you need more.